Shop done it okay for me slap with that one here without no intro? Yes, man. When nothing a go on for you, them want step on you like carpet. Soon as something go on for you, a something them a look a friend them want beg. Shop done. Your ratings are rise. From your savings and your interest high. When you used to talk, them never recognize Gaza 6 lock the place the ratings get. I tell them no put you on a level. I'm above level. What? You know what the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business? Watch. So hear me, man. Right about now, we done see it, we gun see it, we see what we go on with it, All of the dead are post, all of the need, a Vibes Cartel for do this song against, that can run out, and a sound can get music across. You know what I mean? Because if you drop music without no form of confrontation, no form of mix up, gas up business, nobody never go look upon it. I don't know that. You don't know that. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something you not do now when I read today. Say if you'd come out all couple months, all 3 months before and say what you say, would have give big ratings. But not when you know say the boy them abandon the man appeal like you know the man now go come a road right now. You run off your mouth. If I did what here when the appeal is in process, you'd lock your mouth because you don't know if I'm come or not. So I don't really rate them gimmicks business there because I'm a real ghetto youth. I know where you do. If you didn't know the man that go forward before the appeal, you don't do nothing like that. But soon as them abandon the appeal, you run out. So you hear what go on. I'm not even going to even listen to you. I sure I deal with real talk. Right now, I see, the whole of the blogger them, they turn YouTube upside down and who did say teejay run from who I say him now run, Right now, I don't see the man them a flood the internet and I tell Alkaline, make sure I'm answer, Make sure I'm answer the man, You see I look at the man, I'm not playing thing with him, A real thing I make you know, The man in a playing thing with him and make sure him answer the man because what the AI inoculate the internet and I try violate the youth Well so the man drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Right now me I listen for him. Cause this war now gonna be easy You already know sir high grade with smoke and we not burn beat It's not even gimmicks business. You see what me I deal with? A real way we are talk about. And right now, Chronicler done murder Jamil and want more father. The man I tell on straight, same want him. And him itch up in him shell and I go like same one post back and forth with Vibes Cartel and I post up house. Yo, that not in a entertainment business, my brother. You's not the richest man in Jamaica. The only way Muda give ratings when you do that. I guess you'd rather be the richest man in Jamaica. You's not the richest man in Jamaica, my virgin. So when you post up your asset them and them shit them, we don't really look upon them thing there. Because furthermore, it's not even it look like it's a big possibility for you even turn back, turn around and go nowhere near them apartment there. You see what I deal with? Right now, America you live. You now go back to Jamaica. You see what I deal with? So I don't know what you talk about. And I care how much ears you make blow off. Them are going to have that thing over your head and wait for you. You see what I deal with? So you better go clear up the thing from now and make sure everything cute and crisp. So when you do that post, I said that's not what people dancehall fans is about, my brethren. We is about music, my brethren. We don't watch what people have, dog. We don't watch people things. And black man can't hunger proof from black man. You can't bring that to nobody else in the world. I real talk me I make you know. I don't know a joke thing. So when you talk about wealth, black man can't go do that to them one another. You can't go against the other race with that, with the lollipop thing. Drop music make the man them hear. How long you offer the chart? And I talk about your Lord, the youth them make the youth them eat food. Nobody make youth eat food like Vibes Cartel. Whether it want be entertainer, selector, Man will par in a crew, dancer, whatever it want be. Yo, stop on a lollipop thing, you know. And I go like on a joker and I go like on a one. Do some look a fool thing. That are the reason why the people in Jamaica they drop your ratings, you know. When they come at about mansion in the ear take temperature, you know. You remember? At the general the 10 star one.